What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and I'm gonna take you whitewater kayaking down the White Salmon River right here in Oregon. Never done it, going by myself. Let's do it. I just realized I'm close to being done with the project and I'm not even filming it. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. So I had these old camper jack tie downs. These right here are happy jacks, and they're just the normal happy jacks. There's no quick release. You have to screw them and unscrew them and adjust it manually like that. But I got the quick load ones now. So these things are pretty sweet. So there's basically a lever. So all you have to do to take the camper jack off is pull that pin out, flip that lever up, and you can take it off. Yeah, the whole idea is I want to be able to get this camper off really quick. So all I have to do is pop 4 turnbuckles, hook up the electric jack super fast. The only downside is these turnbuckles do not fit my camper, so I'm having to hacksaw them right now. Have you guys join in on the last bit of fun with my really cheap hacksaw. Got it. There you go. You can see our old one to get it off. It's not a huge deal, but you're gonna come over here, pop it loose, and then basically unscrew everything. And then you have to find out exactly where you need to tighten it up every time. It's kind of a pain. So normally you're supposed to put the handle side up, but since my camper's kind of in the way, I'm going to flip this around. We're gonna put this side up right there. So hook that in there, grab into my shackle. Then all you do to tighten these quick load turnbuckles is you just screw them in, and you kind of feel out the tension. You basically want, for the rear, you want to see an 1/8 of an inch gap between this handle piece and the stainless steel tube. Just barely. And then, yeah, you put your pin through there or your master lock, and you're good to go. So when you're ready to take the camper off, come up to it, bam, unhook it, hook your quick release electric jacks up, and it's off. So we're chilling here, I think, at the takeout for the White Salmon River. I'm not too sure. We've got this guidebook this guy gave me last time I did this road trip. And here's the river we're gonna go check out, White Salmon River. It's not that crazy, class 3 to 4, maybe a 4+ in there. And yeah, it looks sweet. I'm gonna find the put it in takeout, so let's do it. If you guys like what you see in this video today, this is a commercially rafted river, so you can go rafting here, and it looks like a pretty good time actually from what I've seen in pictures and stuff. So yep. I locked the one wheel to a tree right there, so hopefully that's chill. That way when I finish the river, I can ride the one wheel back upstream to the truck. So let's go upstream. Off we go. I guess the takeout is like here somewhere maybe. This is our river. Let's go. Here we are at the put-in. It's called the BZ boat launch area. It's just past the log cabin restaurant over there, so. All right, we're ready to roll. Got our shuttle set, got our boating gear. Let's do it. So we're starting right there at the BZ boat launch and cruising on down about 4.5 miles to the town of Husum, I don't know. That's what we're getting into. Look at this boat launch ramp, this is crazy. Wonder if anyone's ever come out here in the winter and tried to grind this in a snowboard or skis all the way down. We're here, Middle White Salmon. So yeah, if you guys want to raft it, it looks like Portland Rafting is one of the companies. I don't know who else is out here, probably a bunch of them. It's obviously this is the put in, there's the stairs coming down. Super easy to get here, like 3-minute walk, 4-minute walk. This is Maytag Rapid, I'm assuming, because of that hole. I guess a lot of people don't run it because you can just put in here so easy, but I don't know.
It's a bridge that looks like it's right above the river.
Okay.
And it's just past the waterfall. So
nice.
You'll see that bridge and you'll be like, a horizon line with a big metal bridge, highway bridge below it. Nice.
Well, cool, man. Thanks for the beta.
Yeah, enjoy.
And off we go. Woo. Oh, there's some holes up in here. All right, on we go. It's almost 90 degrees out, so I didn't want to wear the dry suit, but the water is, I don't know if it's all snow melt or glacier fed or what it is. The coldest water I've felt in the lower 48 so far. Warmer in Alaska though. But yeah, just a dry suit and a t-shirt under it. Feels pretty cozy. So I have no idea where I'm going or what the lines are, but figure it out as we go, I guess. That's the thing about solo kayaking. It's just definitely have to be on it more, paying attention more, a little more conservative. It's like we have a corner with something coming up. See, if you're paddling solo and you've never done a run, you just have to treat it like a first descent, pretty much. Cool. Oh yeah, look at that cave. Whoa. Hey, wouldn't want to go under that. I don't paddle class 5 to the extent that I used to, but honestly, this is my favorite kind of boating. Just like class 3, 4, just fun rapids where, I don't know, you've got the skill set to navigate class 5 pretty easily, but it's just so comfortable. It's just a really fun feeling, like kayaking in one class lower than you're capable of. It just, I don't know, makes it a lot more fun. For all you local paddlers watching this video, you can tell me if I'm taking the wrong line in the comments. Yeah, this looks like a rapid. Looks like just stay in the flow, I guess. Let's do it. Maybe not quite the flow. Right here. Right through here. Then a boop, maybe? Yep. Well, it's gorgeous here in the northwest, just all like the rainforesty moss and whatnot. I think this is still like kind of a drier area for the northwest, but just get some old man's beard growing in the trees. I don't know if I've mentioned it yet, but I have a ticket to Burning Man coming up pretty soon, and going to Descend on Bend, like the week of Burning Man also. So we got a lot of festivals coming up and hanging out with people, so just trying to get out in some nature now and enjoy it, soak in the other aspects of my passion. Yeah, it looks middly. Oh, maybe not. Woo! What's going on? Oh, Timmy. Good to meet you guys. How far is the falls downstream? I'll get a ways. Right on. Right, a bunch of bats up in here. Nice. What? Sweet. If you guys are already a whitewater kayaker or pack rafter and you just want to get on just a joyful run, just a really pleasant, fun piece of whitewater, I haven't finished the river yet, but right now it's really pleasant. Alright, so this is probably going to be really cold because the water is cold, but I had one of my subscribers ask me if I could show you how to roll a kayak, so I thought now's maybe a good time. So the whole idea is you want to keep your body completely down under the water until you flip your boat back up, and then once your boat's almost all the way upright, kind of roll your body onto your boat. It's the most important thing. Basically make sure to leave your head in the water. Your head should be like blasting out of the water. I'll basically set up and I'm going to do a big sweep and a snap like that. Alright, there we go. So it's basically all one fluid motion. If you do a hip snap and a paddle pull at the same time and leave your body in the water, it's pretty easy to roll. If you do any of it out of order, or not at the same time, you're going to be swimming out of your boat. There you go. Looks like it has a hole, maybe. Let's see. It's a steady. I guess I go down the middle, maybe? Can't see. Yeah. Okay. You're nice. It's a really boily river for the amount of water in here. It's not really high volume, but a lot of weird eddy lines and boils and whirlpools and stuff that I could see giving a beginner a hard time, probably. For a long time. So I think the reason YouTube's been so sustainable and I just don't burn out doing it is because I'm just out here doing what I would be doing anyway. And then I just bring you guys along. So I don't know. It doesn't feel like work. It doesn't feel like a hassle. Sometimes the editing gets to you a little bit, only because like I get really bad carpal tunnel when I'm working the pad and typing and all that stuff. And I don't know. That gets to me a little bit. I think the takeout and the big falls is coming. It's like Hussam Falls or Hussam Falls. Look at that sign. Warning, severe drop. Takeout, 200 feet. It's nice of them to put a sign up. All the rivers in Alaska, you just go around a corner and you just go into whatever it is. No signs. We'll go down here and scout the falls and make our decision. Convenient. So here we are. It turns out the portage trail is on the left side of the river left, as you're going downstream, left side trail. There's some bathrooms, portage right around to the bridge. There's the falls. It looks pretty good. I think we should probably run it. I'd say we're gonna go kind of off the right edge over there. Try to keep our bow up, get a little booth in. Put you guys down here this time. How about that? You guys just hang out right there. Let's go do it. Clean. It's kind of a really late booth, and then you're through it. Looks like the rafts get out here too, maybe. That probably would be kind of violent. 30-second walk, and here's the takeout right at the bridge. So you basically take out at the base of the falls, Hussam Falls or whatever it is. Then the raft company is right down there. So I'm gonna go get my one wheel and ride back up to the truck. And awesome run. Highly recommended. You guys should check it out. Wood Planet right across the street. So we get about a 5-mile one-wheel ride, I think, to get back to the truck, and then I'll drive down the truck and pick up the kayak. Highly suggest it if you guys are looking just for a fun river where you could pretty much portage, I think, all the rapids, maybe, I don't know. But they were really manageable, and yeah, it was just a great run. It was beautiful. It's not the widest shoulder, but there's enough to get a one wheel on it and do what you need to do. The river's just right down there the whole time. Some massive mountain up there. I don't know what it is, the big snowy guy in the background. I'm guessing a bunch of the water is coming from there. Oh yeah. Well, y'all, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, maybe smash that like button down there if you want to help support me, and maybe even subscribe to the channel if you want to get crazy, and we'll do it again soon. Peace, y'all.